And so up and coming then, I assume, if we're looking at up and coming areas, would you then probably start to direct people south?
I would.
From a landlord perspective. So if they're looking to purchase property and investment is their focus, you'd say, okay, this is what we're seeing.
They tend to mimic the sales. So renters will follow lifestyle suburbs. So you look at the same metrics in terms of whether property is increasing in value, and that tends to be matched into the rental market. So if you look at your days on market price increases, very similar, that'll flow through into tenancies. It's normally the suburbs that people want to live in. On the Gold Coast, that's pretty obvious. You want to be near the beach.
Yeah, correct. Because you're here for a reason.
That's
normally. And are there people coming, have you heard from your agents if there are people that are coming up that are from Sydney and from Melbourne that are out of town that are resettling here on the coast and renting?
Yeah, that's always a big part of our market. So we've seen probably the biggest amount of domestic migration. So all of the big cities coming to the Gold Coast. Who knows the reasons for that? I'm not an economist, so I won't delve into that, but we're definitely seeing a lot of it.
Yeah.
And they tend to move to the beachside suburbs.
Okay.
So we get a half and half. So what we're seeing a lot of is people moving here for 3 or 6 months to take a rental to decide where they want to live on the Gold Coast, and then they'll purchase a house or build a house in the suburb that they choose.
So they're settling in, they're getting their feel for it, they ride their bicycle up and down the coastline, and then they go, okay, this is where I want to be.
Just deciding what they like.
Excellent. Okay, well, lifestyle is what's key here. So if you have any questions, please make sure you comment on the video below. In the group, there will be a whole lot of conversation about this, hopefully. And please look up Tiger if you have any needs for things that are specific to what he's discussed. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to talk to you soon. And Tiger, we will hopefully talk to you very soon.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Mate.